Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something to show you that I did not make, but someone sent this to me. Thank you so much, Sabine. And I just like to share this with you. I asked permission to do this and I just like to show you guys. This is breathtaking. And so let's dig in. So I know the paper line is from Graphic 45 times Nouveau. And it's so stunning, so stunning. Okay, so this is the front. And I see some wooden butterflies right here. So cool. She made some thicker layers with chipboard. And it's an older album that she made years back. And she just wanted to send this to me, to share this with me. And I was it's so nice. I can tell you. Alright, so I am my own album maker, but it is so cool and so nice to see another album. So you don't know how it's supposed to go with the pages and everything. And yeah, that is exactly what why I just love making albums. I just love the pages and everything. But if you make them yourself, you know exactly how the pages goes. But if you don't know, so suppose, well, the same thing as I did, like here. It's so from how does this go? So now I see, I already flipped this, but it's a long time ago. Just totally forgot to film it. So here you have two flaps to the left, so I can still add a nice picture on the left side. And then here there is a nice pocket. But this closes down, this flap with this one. So cool. So nice. Okay, let me see. So I have no clue how this goes. So this is, okay, let me check this out. I think this is glued down. And then, is it? Yep, I think it is. Or is it oh, yep, it's magnetic. Yeah, I have to be careful because if this is glued down, I don't want to tear everything. So, but it is magnetic. Yeah, super cool. Love the images. Hard to see, but now I have a full page where I can still add a nice big picture. I love these photo corners. Super nice. Okay, and then this goes to this side. Oh wow, I love this. Cool. Super cool. And then here there is a little booklet. Oh, that is nice too. Nice booklet with just some cardstock inside. Makes it a little sturdier. Super cool. Alright, and then this flips to the left, but I see also that there is an opening right here with a nice journaling spot. Wow, that is a nice handwriting. Super cool. Yeah, I love this. So as you can tell, yeah, for me it's such a nice journey to flip through other people's pages. That is so cool. And that is exactly, yeah, I see where she got this from. Super cool. Always love this. I think this needs to go this way with a nice sewing tab. And then here we have a nice pocket with a booklet. And then here is another pocket with a nice wideable spot. Wow. Cute, cute, cute. So cute. Love this. God, I love it. To see somebody else's project, it's amazing. Okay, inside here we also have a nice journaling spot. Oh, this is nice. Crinkly paper. Super cool. Then we have a closure like this, magnetic. Oh, and then this is a waterfall. Oh, that's an awesome idea. Just doing the design paper using right here. And she cut them in. So she cut all the hinges inside. I love that. That's a long time ago that I did that. Great, great, great. Great inspiration. Okay, and then this goes down with a magnetic. Here we have a nice pocket with a booklet inside and a large photo mat. Wow. And then this closes down. I don't know why the closure is here actually. Is there something else going on? I think there might be. I think this is a double glued page because here I have a pocket with nothing. Wait, I think this one needs to go in here. Yep, that is the problem. I think I put it wrong back in when I just... Alright, this is the pocket, but why the closure? Why the magnetic closure on here? I have no clue, I missed something here. Alright, then we go to the next page. This flips up with loads of nice little booklets. Super cool. And then, see, this goes down with also some pockets. This flips to the left. Oh, and here we have also a nice pocket. And this flips to the right with, I love this layout. This is so cool. And then a big page. And as many pockets as possible. Just my style. Love it. Okay, and this closes magnetic. Cool. Okay, let's dig in. Here we have a nice little pocket. Oh, I love this. It's so cool. I think you put these all on one piece and then cut out. I think it's a die cut something. Love it. It's a great idea actually. Need to try that out too. Alright, then we have a swing tab. I think magnetic. Yep, it's, oh, I love that. Look at the sound of that. Pop. Cool. Then this opens up. Oh, and then this, it goes, well, do you see that? The activity just surprised me. And it's so cool when you receive this and then not make this. This also flips all the way open. So this also flips all the way open. Look on how many pictures I can place in here. Super cool. And then we have a nice big pocket inside. What's this? A booklet, of course. A nice thick booklet. Love it. I think it's a Crealise die. I recognize it. Super cool. And then this all flips back and then boom, the closure. And then we have another insert right here. Yep, another one, another diary spot. And then this spot is just a nice simple pocket. What's this? What's this? Look at this. This is also cute. Yeah, why not make a nice tag with a pocket? Oh my gosh, love it. Papers are phenomenal. Love it. Okay, and then here we have some nice decoration part. Super cute. Okay, then this page is, let me see. This I can pull this out. This is a nice big belly band. Super cool how she just glued these little pieces on here. Oh wow, this is just amazing. Just a simple pocket on a nice booklet with all these little things in here. Wow, love it. Super cool. Alright, let me slide this back under here. And still we can add loads of pictures on this booklet. Okay, and then we have another insert. Love these tabs. Nota. Love it. Super cool. Super cool. Here we have a tie ribbon closure with 2 photo spots. Here also. Super cute. And a big spot for extra photos. Wow, wow, wow. Love it. Okay, and then, okay, let's see. This is an envelope. Yep, here are another nice little tags. You can put everything in such envelopes, even your leftovers or pictures that you still need to glue in. This is also a great idea to decorate. Super cute. Then here you can add a picture. And here you have some cards, love pockets. And then this opens to the right. More pockets. Love it. And more pockets. Stunning. Yes, definitely love this idea of all those pages. Cool. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it, love it. Maybe I'm gonna make a remake of this one. Super cool. I can't tell which album or which tutorial that she used, because she watched me many times. I think even she took some pages and then just made it her own, and that's a great thing to do. I always encourage that. You don't have to always make exactly the same pages. I always love that people make their own imagination or do their own little adjustments on pockets or pages or closures and everything. So wow, Sabine, you made a wonderful album, and I thank you so much that you sent this to me. And I thank you also that you like me to show my viewers your album. So that is super cute. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Give Sabine a big thumbs up on her album, and see you next time. Bye bye.